Okay, so there's only one thing that I could think of that would make the Raminator better. And taking a note from my other Canadian brothers, the Epic Meal Boys, bacon strips. And bacon makes everything better.
Bacon. Oh my God, look at that.
We might be the first people ever to put bacon on an RC, but this is YouTube. What can you expect, right?
Oh my God, it's totally gonna work. How amazing is this truck?
Amazing.
What would make it better?
Bacon. Like, imagine what bacon has done for the food community, right? What could it do for the radio control hobby community?
Be delicious and provide you with a snack.
I think it smells great already. We gotta get it warmed up.
Burn it in a cold pan and get it.
Yeah! It's still good.
Not even touching the ground.
Not even touching. It's still good. That's nice. Yeah, let's get it busy. Gotta warm it up.
Naturally smoked.
I can't believe how stable it is. I think we should try to take the jump.
Yeah, I agree.
Did it go farther?
You did go farther. Oh my God!
It's actually cooking the bacon. Let's go again. I want to
Yeah,
go
okay. Oh, smells so good.
more. Yeah, it does. People say the suspension is too stiff, but that's exactly what a
it's
monster truck
beautiful.
looks like.
You gonna jump it again?
Yeah, I want to rip through some of this deep snow.
Okay.
That snow is super deep. A huge launch. All that torque spinning those tires in the snow. One more big one, baby.
Okay. Let's check it out.
I thought I was definitely going to hit the top for sure.
What do
There's
we?
no way. I can't believe it's the first. Oh,
What?
look at the bottom of the shock. I busted it right
Oh
apart.
no!
Look at that. It came apart. That's okay though. That was a hard hit. Yeah, baby. Look at that.
Bacon!
Straight up bacon. Look at that.
How did it taste?
You know I can't have that. I have Crohn's. That is how hot that truck is. Wicked, dudes.
Awesome.
Okay, so let me know, comment section down below. Does bacon make it better? Is this a new series we should do? Leave it. We'll see you in the next episode of RC Adventures. Now get outside!
I'm gonna eat some bacon.
Enjoy some bacon. Jam!
Yeah.
Prediction, most liked or most disliked video of our channel?
Ooh. Ooh. Can I say both? Because it's gonna get both.
It's gonna get rowdy.